You didn't go Kent Street yesterday.
Wait, I don't know.
So I didn't. So I didn't pay you £25 for a blowjob.
I don't think no one touched actually a blowjob, mate.
Oh, what? I've got the wrong girl, but still, £25 for a blowjob.
I don't really know what paper is that fees for a blowjob, mate.
Highest I'll go is 30. £32.50.
No, it's fine, mate. Then they say it's for those. It's Connor.
Who's Connor? Who's Connor?
I like him.
Who's Connor?
Probably is.
Yo, who's Connor?
You? We're not dumb. We're like dumb people.
No, mate, my name's Billet. Like, I don't even know who this Connor is. If you give me this Connor's name, number, I'll fucking ring him and terrorise him.
You're weird.
Just give me his number, I'll terrorise him instead.
What?
Who's Connor?
What?
My name's Connor Maynard.
Oh, you thought
Sorry, Justin Bieber. Wait, tell Justin Bieber to shut up.
Which one is going on? It's fucking stupid.
I told you, I'm Billet. I'm Billet. Is that your boyfriend in the background? Are you a lesbian? Who's your boyfriend?
What?
Who's your boyfriend?
Why don't you have boyfriend?
I'm turning gay.
That's a bit creepy, actually. That's a bit creepy. Oh,
You didn't tell me you had a boyfriend when I was fucking you last night.
Yeah, so it's tied last night.
What?
Do you know what this is?
Yeah, my name's Billet.
I mean me, not you.
Oh yeah, your name's Shannon.
What?
Your name's Shannon.
What's her name?
Shannon.
Your name's not Shannon.
What's her name?
I'm Shannon fucking dumbo.
Yo, can I have my condoms back?
Shannon, what Shannon you on about?
I'm on about you.
I'm not Shannon.
Look, sweetheart, yes you are.
No, don't. I'm not. I'm not your sweetheart. My sister's facing me.
Shannon Rebecca yesterday.
What?
So I'm Shannon.
What? So you ain't Shannon Rebecca Russell?
I'm not Shannon Rebecca Russell. And your name's Connor.
My name ain't Connor, my name's Billet.
Bullshit.
I'm not Connor Maynard, okay?
No?
I'm not Connor Maynard. And I don't own cookies either. You got a cookie though?
That's Connor.
I'll take a cookie.
That's Connor.
Where do you live?
What do you want?
Let's get to know each other. Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Me, I live in London. Where do you live?
Okay, you're in London, whatever.
Oh, don't go.
No, hey, ring it back. Oh. Ring it back. No. Ring it back. I said she got for them, isn't it? You got for them.
Question before you like hang up on me again, yeah? Have you got two people? Have you got? I live in E5. I live in E5. If you must know. But no, is someone called Anita and go for a dump in your house? Is someone called Anita and go for a dump in your house? Anita and go for a dump. Who the fuck is Aaron? Stop calling me other boys' names. It's Billy. You were screaming Billy last night. You should know.
Excuse me, I've got a boyfriend, yeah?
Yeah, and your boyfriend was in on it. He had a threesome with you.
My boyfriend went home yesterday.
Yeah. That was like yesterday morning he went home. So it was some other guy. Oh, I think it was that Connor. Me and Connor must have been there.
It's Connor, or it's someone else.
I'm not Connor. I'm not someone else. My name's Billy.
No, it's not Billy.
Yeah, it is. It's Billy Bob Jones.
You don't recognise your voice, yeah?
Yeah, you don't recognise my voice because you never even know who I am.
Right, Connor, some ex-boyfriend Connor. You're Connor Maynard, yeah? Got a question for you. As you say you're Connor Maynard, why are you being stupid at the phone?
Hang on, I'm not Connor Maynard. I didn't say I was Connor Maynard. I said you're Connor Maynard.
Oh, sit down. With my boyfriend, you're Connor Maynard.
No, I said he's Justin Bieber. Leave Justin Bieber alone. Stop bullying Justin Bieber. No, I ain't. I ain't no gay. If you guess my name, yeah, I'll give you a $5. Postage your package. It's not Connor, so there's one guess. I'll give you 2 more guesses. What? I don't live in no Northampton, blood. I'm not Connor. Fucking hell. Ring Connor right now while I'm on the phone and you'll see it's not Connor. It's not Connor's mates. I don't even know anyone called Connor. Wait, you have a sister? What's her number? I'll tell her I was instead. Go on, ring your sister then. While I'm on the phone, go on. I didn't know your sister. I don't know your sister. I only know you. Look, stop chopsing, blood. Hello? Who's this? I told you I'm Billy. No, Billy Bob Jones. Get it right. I'm not Connor. Do I sound like this Connor? I must meet this Connor. Yeah, give me Connor's number. Hey, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Report me to the police. Ah, fuck you, bitch. Hey! I'm calling her back. What the fuck? The fuck? This just got serious. No. Yo, call 999, not 911, yeah? You never know, you might call 911. Okay, don't call 08 either, yeah? 08, you don't want no mountain rescue. No one wants to climb your mountain, blood. So... Okay, call 1-666-666-666-666-666-86. Hey, shut up, you Ouija bats. Shut up, you Ouija bitch. It's like, have you ever heard of a killer clown? Because I know where you live. Yeah, I am. I'm the killer clown. I know where you live. Mate, I'm not gay. Nah, that'd be you and your boyfriend. I didn't know you had a sex change. I didn't know you had a sex change. Give me Connor's number then. Give me Connor's number then, for fuck's sake. I'm not Connor. Ring him while I'm on the phone. I told you this. Stop trying to act black when you're white. Stop trying to act black when you're white. Are you white? Are you white? Or are you fucking Asian? Are you fucking praying to Allah right now? Like, Allah, Ahmed, Allah. Shut up, Mahmood. I want a taxi. Can I have a taxi, please? Can I have a taxi, please? I want to go to...